Chapter 8. Vowel U sounds. Short sound. Look, read, and understand. A nun. Nun, gun, sun, bug, mug, jug. A nun with a jug. A nut. Hut, cut, nut. Cub, tub, rub. A nut in the tub. A drum. Gum, sum, drum. Jump, pump, lump. A drum and a pump. A bud. Bud, mud, stud, dust, must, rust. A bud in the dust. A duck. Husk, dusk, tusk, suck, duck, luck. A duck on the husk. Long sound. Look, read, and understand. Ruler, purse, nurse, unicorn. Bulb, glue, mule, uniform. Let's learn some word families with long sound of vowel U. U-A, U. Blue, flew, glue, clue. U space A, U. Cube, huge, cute, fuse. U-N-A, yoon. Dune, June, tune, prune. Let's read aloud. A cube on the dune. A nurse with a purse.